Welcome, George Pierce presents a fast-moving video. How you can make money online using Clickbank. By following these easy steps, go to Clickbank. If you are not a member, join for free and log in. Search for Glucofort to get your affiliate link. At the time of this video, it is paying over $142 per sale. Glucofort has a high gravity over 200. Find keywords with high search and low competition. Keywords such as blood sugar normal range. Enter this phrase in your Google search box. Notice that Ubersuggest shows us that you have 3 more suggested keyword phrase for Google that also have good search and virtually no competition. Next, click on the WebMD article. Copy the content down to sugar in your body. Go to articlerewritertool.com. Paste the article and spin it. Go to Invideo. Invideo.com. This is free. Click on text to video and 16:9 ratio for YouTube. Choose your template. Now click Use Template. Type in your title, copy rewritten article and paste into Invideo. Edit as needed and download. Upload to YouTube. Include top-ranking keywords in your title, tags, and text. Find those keywords using free tools such as Tubebuddy and Ubersuggest. You will find links to these tools below. Include appropriate links in your description. Publish. Congratulations. Next, rinse and repeat often.